फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू आस्क यू कि आपकी आप तीनों की फ्रेंडशिप कैसे हुई और कहाँ मिले आप तीनों?
Actually, Rajesh or Saket, they were friend. Basically, I think they were earlier in the college, post graduation, and I think before that also.
हाँ जी.
और दोनों ने साथ में काम भी किया है काफ़ी कंपनीज में. तो I think 20 years से वो दोनों friend हैं. It is a good friendship. But for me, it was little different.
अच्छा.
I joined Microsoft way back in 2019.
Okay.
उसके बाद अभी हमारा नोएडा में डेवलपमेंट सेंटर रिसेंटली ओपन हुआ है. रिसेंटली मीन लाइक 2 years या 3 years अराउंड हुआ है. तो उसके लिए बेसिकली I met first Saket. Saket is a good guy. Like we talked on multiple technical things, sessions, and all these things. So we connected. We became good friend. And then Rajesh joined recently. And a good point is basically when Rajesh joined, so I was appointed as his buddy.
Oh.
So it was like first person in the company basically who will guide you, who will basically tell you what needs to be done, what is good, what way maybe you are going. So वो सारी चीजें I was able to help
exactly.
So in that way we became friend. So it is good.
That's really nice, sir. Let's move थोड़ा सा technical aspects में. Let's suppose I'm a first year student at Galgotias. मेरे को co-pilot पे काम करना है. क्या मेरे लिए एक perfect road map होगा?
ओके सो अगर आप एक फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट हैं तो आई विल एज्यूम यू विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी बेसिक.
हाँ जी.
That's true. And then in the basics also maybe you will be first understanding what is Copilot, how it works, how it can help, and what kind of problem it can solve. Right, that is one. Then you will be moving to the technical areas like what is the basically technical aspect of it, what technology it is using behind the scene, what all basically challenges we are facing, or maybe what kind of development we can do. So let's say person will understand first these basics, then he or she will move into the other aspect of it. Let's say they will see how I can contribute, how I can develop something new out of this Copilot. They will go into the custom Copilot maker. Okay, they will maybe get the training, they will have the resources, learn.microsoft.com, they can go and learn, and they can start doing their own Copilot. So in that way they can learn better and they can maybe contribute even good.
Sir, एक engineering student की life कैसी होनी चाहिए?
Engineering student की life, I think it is a great question. So I think it should start with I think let's say once in the first year student is coming, so they will be more focusing on adopting the culture, adopting the environment, because maybe it is a different environment, engineering environment, and outside environment, maybe whatever intermediate or those kind of school colleges they have doing. So that is a little different. So I think first they should adapt the environment, then they will focus on their studies. I think first 6 months or maybe 1 year it will be completely hard time in terms of accepting the things and learning new things. So that will be one thing. And once they are good, then I think they can engage in the other activities like maybe social activities, engagement, and all these things. So that is also important part of the learning. So learning is one way because that is our core priority for any of the student. But I think engagement and maybe involving in different aspect of like collaboration, engagement, so that is important.
Sir, for a technical career, networking कैसे role play करती है?
So networking will always play a role everywhere we have seen, right? So let's say for example you are a engineering student initially, so you have to make the networks. Let's say you are making your community on the LinkedIn. It will eventually help you like preparing for something, learning new trends, what is happening in the technology, what is happening in the market. That will definitely help you. Because if you are following some, let's say industry leaders or industry maybe persons on the LinkedIn, they will be sharing something. They will be might be sharing some useful articles. That can be very beneficial for the students. Then if you grow in the market, then basically let's say you are into the job now, corporate job, then also your journey is very important as a networking perspective, because if you have the good network, good people around you, then you can take the help. If you are stuck somewhere, you want to maybe develop something and you are not having that much kind of expertise, or maybe you are learning, that will help always. And also to maybe if you are moving into your career also, networking will help there as well.
Even sir, I believe networks with the alumni or network with the off campus communities, जैसे अभी गूगल की जैसे GDC communities चल रही है, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट की भी internships communities चलती है, वो भी बहुत हेल्प करती है ना इन टर्म्स ऑफ गेटिंग रेफरल्स वगैरह, और एक परफेक्ट रोड मैप पता चल जाता है उन सारे सीनियर्स. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में आपका इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस कैसा था?
So my experience was I went to Gurgaon office initially. My first round happened there, first and second round. Then I think that was the last day for recruitment drive. So they have to basically go back to Hyderabad, and they called me Hyderabad I think 1 week later. Then I went there and they took my another round of interview, and then it was another round going to be happen, but I think some person was not there. Then it happened over the Teams call, another round, and then it was.
How was your feeling जब आपने ज्वाइन करा? Like आपने पहले से सोच रखा था माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में जाना है from your college times?
So from college time, I will say, was in mind. Okay. So whenever someone was asking like, what is your goal in your maybe technical or maybe your corporate journey, like what do you want to achieve? So I think first thing was coming in my mind always was like, I want to join Microsoft.
Cool.
Engineer. So that was the one. But feeling when I joined first time Microsoft, so I think it was a different feeling. Definitely, it was a very good feeling. It was dream come true. So that really helped in elevating that basically feeling into the work and into the growth for myself and people around me.
Exactly. So what are your upcoming plans now?
So my upcoming plans are quite simple. Like I am going in a path of learning new technologies. Okay, that is always the case for any of the technical professional. But also I am learning different things apart from the technology, like how to become a good skill we can get in the leadership roles, and maybe how we can achieve more and help others around us to achieve more. So that's the part of our this initiative also we are taking as a speaker. So I think we want everyone to be successful. That is the key.
Thank you so much, sir, for your presence.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank
Have
you,
a
sir.
nice
Have a
day.
nice day.